Good morning and Assalamu alaikum to everyone. My name is Aisha Yasser. I am the teacher of 2 class. Today I am going to teach you math subject. I hope that you all are safe and sound during the lockdown and you all are spending your time in participating the good and positive activities. You know, due to the pandemic situation, coronavirus, the government does not allow us to the physical classes, but we continue our system through the online classes. And I warmly welcome to all of you in class 2 again. You have been promoted in class 2, but you will still do the work on the previous books. So you are not supposed to discard the previous books and you are not supposed to give it to anyone. Welcome to the lecture. Today's topic is skip counting in 2. Skip counting means simply leave it, किसी चीज़ को छोड़ देना. Skip counting in 2, skip the two spaces and get on the position. Now I will explain it through an example. First I am reading the instructions for you. Skip counting in 2s, and this is a number line which start from 0 and end at the 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the instructions are skip over 2 spaces to land at. We will always start from the 0. Just skip 2 spaces. Look at this. Spaces and land at which number we land at? Number 2. Now the second one is, again there is a number line for you and the instructions are skip over another 2 spaces to land at dash. The previous skip is 0 to 2. The previous one, it is the previous one. Now we will skip the 2 spaces more. So 2 spaces, 1 space here and 1 space here. To skip 2 places and we land at number 4. Now we will do the bookwork, and the related pages are page number 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. Now I have a math wise book and now I am doing the page number 36. First I am reading the instructions. Skip counting in 2s. And the first instruction is draw starts at 0. Now he skips 2 spaces and land at number 2. The other one, he skips over another 2 spaces to land at. The previous point is the number 2, and from number 2 now he skips over 2 spaces to land at number 4. So I am write the number 4 here. The third one is, the previous point is number 4, remember. Now the next instruction, he skip over another 2 spaces to land at dash. From the last point he skip 2 spaces and land at number 6. The next one is, the last position was number 6. Let's read the instructions. He skips over another 2 spaces to land at, let's check it. The last position is number 6 and from 6 he skipped 2 spaces, 1 and 2, and land at number 8. And the last one is, he skips over another 2 spaces to land at dash. The last position was 8 and from 8 he skips 2 spaces and land at number 10. Now moving towards the page number 37. First I am reading the instructions for you. Skip counting, circle the remaining numbers as shown in the first row. Now we will do this work as we have an example in the first row. 1, circle the second number. Skip, circle, skip, circle, skip, circle, skip, circle. In the second row we will skip the number 11 and circle the 12. Skip, circle, skip, circle, skip, circle, skip, circle. Again in the third row, skip, circle, skip, circle, skip, circle, skip, circle, skip, circle. The next question is, join the dots in the correct ascending order to complete the picture. You know, students, that ascending order means moving towards smaller to bigger. The smallest number is 2 and let's join it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30. Look, the picture is completed and it's a shape of a penguin. Now this is the end of the page number 37. Now I am moving to the next page 38. Again the same one, skip counting in twos. Jwa starts at 1. We have a number line from 0 to 10. Last time we start from the 0, but this time we are starting from the number 1. He skips over 2 spaces to land at. We are starting from 1 and he skips the 2 spaces. Look how I am skipping the places 1 and 2 and he land at number 3. The next one is he skips over another 2 spaces to land at. The last position number was number 3 and from here he skips over another 2 spaces to land at. Look, the 2 spaces 1 and 2, 3 to 5 and he land at number 5. The next one is he skips over another 2 spaces to land at. The last number was 5 and from 5 he skips 2 spaces and land at number 7. The next one, which is the last one, the last number was 7 and the instructions for the next is he skips over another 2 spaces to land at. The last number was 7 and from 7 he skipped 2 places and after skipping 2 places he land at number 9. This is the end of page number 38 and now I am moving towards the page number 39. Again, skip counting, circle the remaining number as shown in the first row. This is the row and this is the columns. Again I am telling you, in this position this is a row and this is a column. The first circle, skip, circle, skip. First you will circle it and then you will skip it. Now I am starting from the second row, circle it, skip, circle, skip, circle, skip, circle, skip, circle, skip. Now moving towards the third row, circle, skip, circle, skip, circle, skip, circle, skip, circle, skip. Now well, this is the end of this question. Now the next question is join the dots in the correct ascending order to complete the picture. Now there is a picture and the dots are given and we will join it and we will get our new picture. Ascending order means moving towards smaller to bigger and the smallest number in these numbers are number 1. Now I am starting from the number 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 21 to 23, 25, 27 and 29. The picture is completed and it is a picture of a ant. Now I am moving towards the next page. This is another topic and the topic is number square. In this picture it is a very colorful page and it has a square shape and in this square shape there are so many small squares which represents the different numbers. You can see the small boxes are representing the small different numbers and there are so many snakes in this. Let's read the instructions first. Help Aggie, this is Aggie, help Aggie discover which numbers have been eaten by the snakes. Okay, we will discover those numbers which are eaten by the snake. The first number is 1, 2, this number is missing and obviously it is eaten by the snake. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is eaten by the snake. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is missing. 13, 14 is missing. 15 is missing. 16 is missing. 17 is missing. 18 is missing. 18 is here and 19 is missing. 20. Okay. In this way you will complete the whole page and which starts from 1 and ends at the number 100. I hope that my lecture is helpful for you to do the work independently. By practicing more you will get the more command on these topics. Well, this is the end of the lecture. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself, stay home and save your life.